If your scrap looks better than your truck, maybe you should watch this. Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and there's not one, but two 2018 T880 Lugger trucks that we have on the ground ready to go for you. These trucks sit on a 232-inch wheelbase and are powered with an MX-13 engine. 455 horsepower and 1,650 foot-pounds of torque go through the Allison 4500 RDS transmission. 430 rear end gears, a 20,000-pound front and 46,000-pound rear end, along with a pusher axle, are what hold this truck up. Chalmers suspension is what keeps you strong and riding soft. This truck uses 11R 22.5 tires and has aluminum wheels on the front end and pusher axle and steels on the rear. When you're hauling scrap, durability is the name of the game, and that's why you should go with the world's best. Call us today for more information about this great truck.